Introduction to Mental Health Awareness. Mental health is a critical aspect of our overall well-being, yet is often overlooked or stigmatized. This presentation aims to raise awareness about the importance of addressing mental health issues such as depression, anxiety, and suicide, and provide strategies for coping and seeking support. Understanding depression, anxiety, and suicide. Depression a present a feeling of sadness, hopelessness, and loss of interest in daily activities. Anxiety, exercise worry, fear, and physical symptoms that can interfere in daily life. Suicide, thoughts of ending one's own life which require immediate attention and support. Coping strategies for mental health issues. Self-care. Engage in activities that promote physical and emotional well-being such as exercise, mindfulness, and healthy sleeping habits. Social support. Reach out to friends, family, or support groups to share your experiences and if find understanding. Professional help. Seek the guidance of mental health professionals such as therapists or counselors to develop personalized coping strategies. Seeking professional help and support. Mental health services. Explore various mental health resources available, such as counseling therapy and support groups to find the right person for your needs. Campus resources. Many schools offer free or low-cost mental health service including on-campus counseling and wellness programs. Emergency support. If you or someone you know is experiencing a mental health crisis, don't hesitate to contact emergency hotlines or seek immediate professional help.